In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media links in Wix. By the end, your visitors will be able to click directly from your website to your social profiles, which is great for building trust and driving engagement across platforms. First, head over to wix.com and log into your account. From the dashboard, go to My Sites and pick the website you want to update. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you select the one you actually want your social links to appear on, so you don't publish changes to the wrong project. Next, click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. This is where you'll design and place your social icons. Give it a moment to load. The editor shows you a live preview of your site so you can see exactly how things will look. Now let's add the icons. On the left-hand sidebar, click Add Elements, then choose Social and select Social Bar. Drag the social bar onto your page wherever you want it. Most people put it in the header, footer, or a prominent section on the homepage so it's easy to find. By the way, because this is a website tutorial, I've placed a direct link to wix.com at the very top of the description to make it easy for you to get there quickly. With the social bar selected, click Set Social Links. Here, you'll connect each icon to your actual social profiles. Paste the full URLs for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, YouTube, or any others you use. If you don't have a profile for a specific platform, delete that icon so you don't send visitors to a dead end. You can also add new platforms, rename labels for clarity, and reorder the icons so your most important channels appear first. Let's customize the look and placement. In the design options, adjust the icon style, size, and colors to match your brand. Keep contrast in mind so the icons are easy to see against your background. Align them with other elements on the page and give them enough spacing so they don't feel cramped. If you're placing them in the header or footer, check how they behave across different pages. Switch to the mobile view in the editor to resize or reposition the icons so they're just as clear on smaller screens. Before you publish, click Preview and test every link to make sure it opens the right profile. If there's a setting to open links in a new tab, enable it so visitors don't lose their place on your site. When everything looks good, click Publish to make your changes live. That's it. If this guide helped you, hit like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and thanks for watching.